Do you want to know how to transfer money from Chime to your Cash App? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So basically, first, you need to open your Cash App and just simply access your account by entering your credentials. And once you access your account, you will see a bunch of options below, but click on the bank logo or icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. And once you access it, you will see this page and just simply click the Add Cash button. After clicking the Add Cash button, you will be needing to select the amount you wanted to add. After that, click the Add button, and you will be needing to link your Chime account number as well as the expiration date and the CVV of it. After entering the details, you will just click the Link Card button. And that's how you transfer money from your Chime to your Cash App account.